The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. Next to the Sun, the Moon exerts the greatest influence on the Earth itself, most notably through its effect on Earth's tides. Mass: the Moon is the largest natural satellite relative to the size of its primary, having 27% the diameter and 60% the density of the Earth. The Moon is larger than Pluto. Origin. The current prevailing hypothesis for the origin of the Moon is that it formed as a result of Mars-sized body colliding with the newly formed proto-Earth. The material ejected from this impact accreted to form the Moon 4.53 billion years ago. Observation: the Moon is the brightest object in the sky after the Sun, although its surface is actually dark, reflecting only 7% of the light falling on it. Moon's current orbital distance causes it to appear almost the same size in the sky. As the Sun structure, the uppermost parts of the lunar crust forms broken surface layers referred to as regolith and megaregolith. Regolith comprises small rocks and dust formed by impact processes and is only a few meters thick. Megaregolith is a layer of highly fractured bedrock several kilometers thick which lies directly under the regolith. Mantle moonquakes have been found to occur deep within fractured bedrock several kilometers thick which lies directly under the regolith. Mantle moonquakes have been found to occur deep within the Moon's mantle. These occur with monthly periodicities and are related to tidal stresses caused by the eccentric orbit of the Moon about the Earth. Inner core: lunar core is small, with a radius of about 20% the size of the Moon. Our homeworld is the densest of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is also the largest of the 4 terrestrial planets. Surface: about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by saltwater oceans, and the remaining 30% is taken up by the 7 continental landmasses. Earth's outer surface is also divided into several rigid segments, or tectonic plates, that migrate across the surface over periods of millions of years. Axial tilt. Today, the Earth is tilted on its axis by 23.4, producing seasonal variations in climate and weather across the surface of the planet during the course of a year. Mag. Field: the Earth's magnetic field is generated within the molten outer core region of the planet and extends outwards to form the magnetosphere, a barrier surrounding the Earth, deflecting particles of the solar wind and protecting the Earth from Sun's radiation. Structure: Earth's crust, together with the uppermost parts of the mantle, forms the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into a series of tectonic plates which float on a more elastic part of the upper mantle. The motion of these plates gives rise to earthquakes and volcanism. Mantle: the Earth's mantle is a rocky shell which accounts for 84% of the planet's volume. The very uppermost mantle: the Earth's mantle is a rocky shell which accounts for 84% of the planet's volume. The very uppermost regions of the mantle are the most solid and are relatively rigid. Outer core: the temperature difference within the outer core drives convection currents, with hot liquid metals rising, cooling and then descending back towards the hot inner core. These convection currents power the Earth's magnetic field. Outer core: the temperature difference within the outer core drives convection currents, with hot liquid metals rising, cooling and then descending back towards the hot inner core. These convection currents power the Earth's magnetic field. Inner core. Although the temperature in the inner core is thought to be about the same as the surface of the Sun, the extreme pressure prevents it from becoming liquid.